Switzerland, bichi, byona, it depends on what you want. Kati twagala Lithuania, yino waneno. Lithuania yiyo, select the country you want. Hello guys, today, oh my god, we have made it. Soon we are making 4,000 subscribers. Wow, YouTube, thank you so much. Anyway, how to apply for a visa for Lithuania, Lithuania. Hey, panag. Anyway, you type electronic visa application. Electronic visa application, you come on this, you tap in it. Then, one word chigambo. EPM is the online visa application form of the Republic of Lithuania, which is designed to complete and submit the application for Schengen visa to a consular service of Republic of Lithuania. From July, blah blah application is issued for national visa are submitted for immigration, blah blah of Lithuania, ABC and G. I will not go further. Anyway, tugenda kuja waneno ogambe new application. Wonoja ku new application. I've already filled each and everything, but I'm going to just waneno new application bagamba fill the data, save application, submit application, download the and print PDF vichibyo nabyona. This is the what? Yeno gundi. Yeno yona ndowooza nga woogiraba. Eno yonna. Kati kyenjagala okubalagako katono kiri bwe kiti. Lithuania erina gundi bbiri osobola okwapulayingira. Olunaku lw'olwaleero ngenda kubalagako omuntu ali outside Uganda. Kubanga Lithuania tetulinamu embassy. Naye ate tusobola okukozesa VFS ng'okozesa gundi visa go assist nga wengendo okulaga. Kati gwe essaawa zino andaba oyina okubeera ng'oli outside Uganda okozesa eno gundi format gye ngenda okulagirira. Naye ng'eya Uganda, stay tuned. The next day ngenda baterayo eya Uganda omuntu yenna yenna ng'oyagala kuapplyinga. How are you going to do it? Come with me. Anyway, olaba waneeno ku gundi ku gundi ya Lithuania kambalageko. Anyway, nabadde najuzamu ebintu byange kyokka nga bakuwa only few minutes. Anyway, kambijire mangu waneno. When you want the short-term visa, come and click here, the short-term visa. The short-term visa, the short-term visa etegeeza tourist area short, like as in 1 week, 3 days, something like that. Woba ojagala. Wano nga bakugamba waneno come and fill each and everything. Your name, date of birth, byonna bifiringemu. Ate ekirala wobeera nga ogenda kuyingira gundi woba if you're going to support yourself ogenda teeka waneno kangeze purpose of the visit, it is either business, culture, blah 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 blah, wona woyagala. If you want to visit family, tourist, study, sport, others, you can select what you want. Nina ekirala kyenjagala okubalagako katono waneeno woba travel fund data. Are you cost of traveling and living during the applicant's stay is covered by him or her? Are you going to cater for yourself? Osobola gamba yes. If you have a sponsor osobola gamba ogenda gamba batya by travel cash, travel bichi, prepare the accommodation bichi kyogenda okutambula nakyo. So when you come here by a sponsor or a host family, then you can say the inviting person or the inviting institution. Oba no take out others. If you put others, nga waliwo omuntu oba taatawo oba muganda wo oba bbaawo ng'agenda ku supportinga, you feel in that. Okitegeera? So wano wonna kati banange mwena abalaba video eno. Fingerprints zino video eddako ngenda kubalaga watch, and if you don't watch this togenda kulaba wogenda kugira togenda kulaba wogenda kola ki wogenda okusubmitingira fingerprints zineno oba kitegedde, because also you have to make the appointment for this for the visa. Omuntu yenna ng'oli Dubai, oli South Africa, you are outside Uganda, yeno gundi gy'ogenda okukola. Kati kambalagekoko katono nnyo ne ku gundi eno eyago assist. Kati wogenda ku gundi yo katono, ku gundi yo n'owandika go assist. Wojja waneeno ng'oteeka mu what is your nationality? Uganda, wherever, I don't know your nationality. Select the reason of traveling. You select either tourist, business, or study. Let me say tourist. Then you come here, you say, what is the main country you will be visiting in Europe? Here, there are many types of the countries, or there are many countries. Australia, I don't care which country you really want. There are very, 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 very many. Kati zinensi zineno obojja kukozesa gundi ki tulina VFS Switzerland bichi byona it depends on what you want. Kati twagala Lithuania yino waneno Lithuania yiyo, select the country you want. Ojja kujja waneno ogambe okay continue. When you continue ogenda kujja waneno njagala kikole mangu, come here, fill in the email, fill in each and everything, and then you say submit. Hope you have understood. Kati wogamba submit, eno video sigenda gikola kubeera mpanvu. Then jangu waneno take our application country nti Uganda. If you are in Dubai or in any other country, please, waneno ogenda take away ekifaananyi cha passport you tap in it, then you say okay, the passport bakulaga waneno passport woino kola ki woino okugijira woino okugitekinga oba okitegeera. So nayo bwotyo come and fill in each and everything. Country of origin, of course, Uganda. I don't know why they have brought for me Austria. So zip code in Maldives we have 256 our zip code. So city you can put anything. We don't have house number, so we don't take our two blah 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 way to watch tegede. No one else zip code in most cases osobola no take out 0 nga 5 kubanga most cases go take out 256 ekola ku countries ezimu olumu oteka ko 00 still ekola kati nga wogira baboti. So you can come here no take our country Kampala Kampala, no going on, then from there you come, you say submit. Okay. Thank you so much abantu mwena abandabye. Watch my videos kubanga watching a video yange it's going to be difficult for you to watch to understand each and everything. Byonna bimixinze wamu. If you want a visa to Lithuania, you can use only 2 options. You can use the other one, visa got assist oba nokozesa electronic Lithuania omuntu yenna. In most cases you can use all. Woberanga oli mu Uganda, you can use only visa go assist. Only visa go assist. But when you're outside, you can use any. Kubanga in Uganda, tetulinamu embassy, ate wali eri waggulu wakulaga consulate woyina okuteeka gundi. So omuntu wa Dubai osobola okukozesa gundi eyo. So watch my next video. Next video ngenda kulaga how we do the fingerprints. Fingerprints nga tugenda ku embassy eya Lithuania oba nga tugenda ku consulate where this Lithuania embassy is. I love you. May God bless you. Ciao.